see the one more approach of correlation technique is model-based reasoning. An event correlator based on model-based reasoning is built on the object-oriented model associated with each managed object. A model is a representation of the component. It models the model in the traditional object-oriented representation. It has attributes, relations to other models, and behavior. The relationship between the object is reflected in a similar relationship between the models. Looking into the figure, let us picture a network of hubs that are connected to router, shown figure A. The network management pings every hubs and the router periodically to check whether each component is working. We can associate communication between NMS and the management component as between the model in the NMS or the correlator and its counterpart of managed objects. Thus, in this example, the model of each hub periodically pings its hub and the model of the router pings the router. As long as the components are working, no additional operation is needed. If hub 1 fails, it is recognized by H1 model. Let us assume that H1 model is programmed to wait for a lack of response in 3 consecutive pings. After 3 pings with no response, the H1 model suspects a failure of hub 1. However, before it declares a failure and displays an alarm, it analyzes its relation to other models and recognizes that it should query the router model. If the router model responds that the router is working, only then the hub 1 alarm is triggered. Looking into the figure, try to understand. If the router model responds that it is not receiving a response from the router, then the hub 1 model deduces that the problem is within the router and not the hub 1. At least it cannot definitely determine a hub 1 failure as long as it cannot communicate with hub 1 because of the router failure.